Good evening everyone. Hello everyone. This is Ayush and today I will show you the nested if statements. So let's get right into it. And today I will be going to show you how to use the nested if functions in Python. So the name of my program is you check positive even or positive odd number using nested if. Meaning the user first enters a number and checks whether the number is greater than 0. Let's see how first let's type the condition. If num is greater than 0, then on the next line the program's gonna see if number modulus 2 is double equal to 0 or not. I already shown you in the last video what the modulus was. So it is the remainder. And then again on the next line we will write print bracket double quotes even positive even quotation close and bracket close. So according to this first line, it checks if the number is greater than 0 and then again checks if the remainder of the number is whether 0 or not. If the remainder is 0, then it will print positive even. So what will happen if the remainder is not 0? If the remainder is not 0, we will use the else statement. Else print bracket open quotation positive. This will be as well positive, but now in the place of even it will be odd. Suppose the number is not positive at all, then what are we supposed to do? We will write another else over here outside of the second if, meaning in the outside of the both the ifs actually, not in the neither in the first nor in the second. So in the so we will write then print not positive. So this program is a good example of nested if. It checks multiple conditions step by step. So let us see now if the program is properly running or not. Now here as we can see, it is the printout mode. So it is saying to enter a number. Suppose we enter 78. Then it would be saying positive even, which is correct. Now in the last one we saw that it was a positive even. Now let us suppose enter 53. Let us enter 53. Then it would be saying positive odd, as you can see over here. Now suppose we enter a negative number. Suppose I enter negative 89. So it is directly saying that it is not positive, meaning it is a negative number. This is all for today. I am going very small bit by bit so you understand very carefully. Because the if statements, the conditional statements are a critical part of Python. It is required in most of the programs. In the next video, I will show you loops, for loops and while loops. There are two types of loops. I will show you in the next video, so it will be not much of a headache for you guys if I put it in one video. So this is all for today, and I am signing out. Thank you.